Hey! Have you ever wanted to trade with someone else's money? Like, a lot of someone else's money, but had no idea how to actually qualify for it? Well, Dudu has got something super exciting for you today. Today, Dudu teaches you everything about how to pass a funded challenge. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what a funded challenge is, how it works, what a real trade looks like inside one, and the exact steps to pass it without blowing up your account. Let's go! Okay, so imagine this. You want to open a pizza restaurant, but you don't have the money to buy all the ingredients, the oven, the tables, nothing. Then a rich investor walks up to you and says, "Hey, I'll pay for everything. You just prove to me you can run this restaurant without wasting my money, and we split the profits." That is exactly what a funded trading challenge is. A prop firm, that's short for proprietary trading firm, basically a company with a big pile of money. They say to you, "Prove you can trade responsibly, follow our rules, and we'll give you a funded account with real capital." We're talking accounts from $10,000 all the way up to $200,000 or more. But here's the thing, they're not just handing it over. First, you have to pass their challenge. That means you trade a demo account, which is fake money that acts like real money. And you have to hit a profit target, usually around 8 to 10%, without breaking two very important rules. Number 1, don't lose more than a certain amount in one day. Number 2, don't lose more than a certain total amount overall. Simple rules. But honey, that's how it works. Break the rules and you're out. Now let's walk through a real example using gold, which traders call XIUSD. Let's say your funded challenge account is $100,000. Your daily loss limit is 5%, so $5,000. Your total drawdown limit is 10%, so $10,000. Your profit target is $8,000. You've been watching gold, and you notice it's been climbing because there's some big economic news coming. You decide to buy gold, that's called going long, with a position size of one lot. Now, one lot on gold means every dollar gold moves, you make or lose $100. You set your stop loss. That's your safety net, the point where the trade closes automatically if it goes wrong, at $20 below your entry. So your maximum risk on this trade is $2,000. Gold moves up $30 and you close the trade with $3,000 profit. Beautiful! You did three things right. You had a plan, you controlled your risk, and you didn't get greedy. Do that consistently, and you're passing that challenge. Easy peasy. So here's exactly how to approach your funded challenge. First, read every single rule of your specific challenge before you place one trade. Every prop firm is different, so know your numbers, your profit target, your daily limit, your max drawdown. Write them down. Second, size your position small. Most beginners fail because they trade too big, trying to hit the profit target fast. Slow and steady wins this race, Dudu promises. Risk only 1 to 2% of your account per trade maximum. Third, trade your best setups only. Not every move the market makes. Quality over quantity, always. Fourth, track every single trade in a journal. Write down why you entered, what happened, and what you learned. This keeps you disciplined and helps you spot patterns in your own behavior. Fifth, protect your account like it's your baby. The number one goal is to not break the rules. The profit will come naturally if you stay calm and consistent. Bear with me on this one. Dudu's got 3 golden tips. Tip 1. Treat the challenge account like it's your own real money. The moment you think it's just a challenge, you get reckless, and reckless traders fail fast. Tip 2. Never revenge trade. If you lose a trade, step away, breathe, and come back fresh. Chasing losses is how people blow up in one afternoon. Tip 3. Pass the challenge the boring way. Small trades, simple setups, consistent results. Boring wins. Let's go. So to wrap it up, a funded challenge is your golden ticket to trading with serious capital by proving you can manage risk and follow rules. And the key to passing is patience, small position sizes, and discipline every single day. Subscribe to Dudu Trades so you never miss a lesson. Because Dudu is always here making trading simple, fun, and actually understandable. See you in the next one.